Hey traders, just wanted to do a quick update on something different, not crypto. What? We're gonna take a look at the stock market, but more specifically, we're gonna take a look at something I got in on last Friday, 1 week ago today. We're gonna see how it's played out. If you're a regular viewer, you know I'm in this position, but we just wanted to do analysis on Activision Blizzard, right? Video game company that had $85 high in October and lost over half its value in just a few months. And when those things happen, man, those are value buys, okay? Something that is overwhelmingly bullish that dumps like this, okay? It was a long time coming, though. I mean, this thing has been killing it for so many years. And, we were actually in an uptrend. We broke it. This rising wedge is what ended it all on the daily and weekly. We had bearish divergence on each peak. So, I mean, this was kind of like, you were warned on this one about the dump, but the rest of the market dumped too, like 20%, but most of the market has recovered. But with Activision, we have not recovered, and that's great because that's opportunity. Because what happens when all things recover, institutions, you, me, everyone else, they're looking for value, okay? Well, guess what? There's value in Activision right now because remember what Bitcoin did? Bitcoin that doesn't make any money. All right, this company makes hundreds of millions of dollars. Okay, despite any kind of leadership issues they're having on the fundamental side, right, they still make tons of money, and they're still the real thing is there's no value to short anymore. Okay, so if someone was shorting this asset, all it's about done, right? I mean, like when you go from when you lose half your value in a matter of months for something that's performed so well. Fundamentally, people look for patterns. They look for downsloping consolidation after huge impulses like Bitcoin did November 7th up here, December 15th, right? Remember? And once you eventually break the downsloping resistance, eventually you'll back test it as support, hopefully, and then run again to at least hit the measured move of the pattern we've developed. Which there are a couple patterns. One could be argued that we have a descending broadening wedge, and the other could be argued that we have an inverse head and shoulders. I articulated it sort of as the inverse head and shoulders and had a limit buy set up at $44. And it got filled last Friday morning, like right around open, and it went to $43.96, but then had a nice bounce, and then here we are. Here we are, left shoulder hit. You had one opportunity with me, okay, and then it was gone. Okay, so we're up over $4 from the entry, and as you can see, this down sloping resistance is being broken today. This is specifically why I want to do the video, just to show, hey, we're breaking out on Activision. It doesn't mean that we're going to the moon immediately. Again, we could crap out, false breakout, and sell off, of course, but just always a big deal when you get breakouts and measured move of the pattern, right? The bottom of the head to the slanted neckline would put you at $55, but then the golden zone, right, where even Bitcoin made it all the way up to the 618 and exceeded it somewhat. Okay, so the top of the golden zone, also known as the golden retrace, the 618, $67.60. Okay, so measured move and then golden zone, and then you have the 200-day moving average right around 58.75. That could probably also act as some sort of resistance on the way up, but the fact that we're above the 20 and the 50 now is great news. Let's see if we can start making these higher highs that we must desperately make. Okay, so yeah, man, inverse head and shoulders, that's this is specifically how you measure it from, and people could argue down here too. Okay, I don't know. I just chose the conservative bottom, okay, of the inverse head and shoulders. But of course, you could come down to $40 and make it a larger measure move. And it's funny because if you did that, your measure move is going to put you right at the beginning of the golden zone, which would make a lot of sense, right? So again, man, people are looking for value in the stock market since we're near all-time highs on the major indices, and a lot of assets are like that. So people will be taking profit and looking elsewhere, and guess what? Activision Blizzard has all the makings of a varsity athlete, as we like to call it, okay, in the live streams. Remember, I live stream twice a day, 6 p.m. Eastern and 11 p.m. Eastern. So if you're a new viewer, I don't know, you might be. Check me out, okay? This is something we've been talking about, and we do look at stocks. I hate the fact that so many people just don't care about the stock market in our community. They care about crypto, which is fine, but there's a There's a big open world out there, all right, and we are just hobbits, okay, in the crypto world. I mean, this is, the stock market, over $25 trillion market cap, with Bitcoin or crypto having 170 something billion dollar market cap. So very illiquid comparatively, right? And even Forex, like 5 trillion a day, I think, traded in Forex. So, okay, there's more markets out there for you, and I just wanted this video to be, or just to kind of show you that there's other markets out there, okay? So, if you enjoyed this quick little update on Activision Blizzard, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Leave a comment in the description below if you want to see more stocks looked at in these static videos. Some people might, some people might not. But I'd really love to hear from y'all, okay? So, I will see y'all in just a little bit for the live stream. So until next time, respect to the TA.